One thing we love about watching van conversion videos is the cool and innovative ideas people incorporate into their builds. So in this video, we're going to show you 5 innovative ideas that we incorporated into our build. On the outside of the van, we have 5 sets of LED lights, 2 in the front, 1 on each side and 1 in the rear. We have an individual switch up front, and that controls each set of lights. We also have a master switch back here, and what that does, it turns on every single outside light. We installed that just in case we hear somebody messing around the van at night. We flip that on and it will project about a 50 square foot radius of light around the van, hopefully scare them off. One of the big problems we noticed while building the van was stepping up into it. The Ford Transit's got a pretty high floor in the cargo area, so we wanted to make it a little bit easier. And how we fixed that is we just added some nice, easy pull-out RV steps. You can get them off Amazon, and they split that step in half. So the one thing we love about other people's van builds is when they add the flip-up countertop. That's a lot of extra cutting space when you're cooking. So we knew we had to incorporate that. The one thing though is with the passenger seat flipped around, this is a pretty high table. So we wanted to be able to adjust this to be able to have a nice table height. So what we did was we took the fold-up brackets that you can find on Amazon and we welded them to a Honda Civic seat slider. So that's the thing that you reach and you can slide your car seat forward or backwards, and that works out perfectly for what we needed to do. We knew we couldn't compromise about having a shower and a toilet in the van. The one thing we did compromise is the width of the shower. So the shower pan was actually 24 by 32, but we cut the shower pan down to 22 inches to get a little more hallway space. Problem is, 22 inches with the wall curve of the van at shoulder height, I can't get in the shower widthways. So I had to figure out how we could fix that. What we did is we have some extra rebar from our bookcases and pantry and stuff, and what we did is we made an extending shower curtain. What that does is add 6 extra inches so I can stand in there and have plenty of room to move around and soap up. Also, having the shower curtain on there is a lot better than using the door. Just makes it a lot more waterproof, and you can move the curtain around and not have to bang your elbow into a hardwood door. If you've been with us guys for a little while now, you know this is Maddie's favorite feature, and this one's slowly growing on me. So when I said I wanted a TV in the van, she said, no, we can use my laptop. I was like, no, little small, where do you put it? Gotta set it on something. I want a TV. So then she came back and said, well, we can have a TV, I don't want to see it. So then we had to design this. So this is matching the rest of our upper cabinets, and door opens, and then the angled 45-degree bit actually folds down, and inside is our 28-inch LG TV. The coolest thing about the TV is it can hinge out on a TV mount, and we can see it from the seats in the front of the van. Well guys, I hope you could learn something from the 5 things we showed you. Hopefully you can use one of them and incorporate them in your van builds to help you out with everyday life. If you could guys, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps us out and always gives us a thumbs up. We love those. Thank you. See you on the next one.